Good day students and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn the ecological relationships. What is ecological relationships? It describes the interactions between and among organisms within their environment. What is ecological niche? It includes the physical space in which they live, the ways in which they use the resources in that space, and the manner in which they interact with other organisms in that space. I have a question to you class. What would happen if a pride of lions and a cackle of hyenas lived in the same place? Next is competition. It occurs when two organisms compete for the same limited resources, such as food, shelter, water, or any other biotic or abiotic factors. We have two kinds of competition. Isa, consumptive or exploitative competition. When organisms compete for a resource. Competition is most typically considered the interaction of individuals that vie for a common resource that is in limited supply, but more generally can be defined as the direct or indirect interaction of organisms that leads to a change in fitness when the organisms share the same resource. The outcome usually has negative effects on the weaker competitors. And the next one is dalawa, interference competition. When organisms compete for a territory. Now, I have a question to you. What would happen if a fly gets trapped in a spider web? Now, let's discuss the predation. In this type of relationship, an organism eats another organism to obtain nutrients. One organism will win and one will lose. There is a prey and predator. What is prey? An animal that is hunted or killed by another animal for food. And what is predator? Predator is an organism that captures and eats another the prey. This act is called predation. In general, predators share the following features: they are usually larger than their prey, or overwhelm their prey by attacking in large numbers like ants. In this picture the fly is the prey and the spider is the predator. Another example, the deer is the prey and the predator is the cheetah. Next question. What would happen if a bee lands on a flower? What is mutualism? In this type of relationship, both organisms benefit from one another. A win-win relationship. Here is the picture of Venus flytrap. What is commensalism? In this type of relationship, one organism benefits while the other neither benefits nor harmed. Look at the picture, here is the example of commensalism. And what is parasitism? In this type of relationship, one organism benefits while the other organism is harmed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned in this video. For more educational video, feel free to like, share and subscribe.